what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to convert BNB to USDT on Binance, or simply you can say how to convert cryptocurrency on Binance to USDT or any other currency. So before getting started, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first person to get the notification. So before getting to the video, this video is for educational purposes only, and I'm not a financial advisor. You can convert your cryptocurrency or your BNB to USDT on your mobile device, also on the web version also. So in here I will show you step by step of converting BNB to USDT on the web version of Binance. So now let's open up the browser. Once the browser opened, log into your Binance regular account and click on the wallet and click on the overview. Once this window opened, click on the fiat and spot. Now scroll down. Here you can see BNB. There is 5 other options that you can see: buy, deposit, withdraw, trade, earn, and convert. So right now I want to convert it to USDT, so I will click on the convert option. And in here you can see from I will select BNB, and from converting to the USDT, you can convert to USDT or any other coins or cryptocurrency that are available here in the list, and you can easily convert to that. And I will select USDT and I will click on the max option. Here you can see preview conversion is now available, so click on that. You can see that minimum amount of BNB that you can convert is 0.05, but unfortunately I have available 0.04 BNB on my account, so it means that I cannot convert that. So you can convert your BNB to USDT using this way, and you can see the balance of my BNB is 0.04. The maximum amount to convert to USDT or any other cryptocurrency is 0.05. So once you are selected all the BNB, you can simply click on the preview conversion to show you the rate that it convert that to USDT. So guys, this is the easiest and fastest way to convert your BNB to USDT on Binance. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section. At last, keep supporting us to provide you more interesting videos about cryptocurrency. And thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.